Trust me, the results are gonna blow you away. And they're cheap, man. $5. I'm gonna show you a free method that uses AI to create pretty good thumbnails in just a couple of minutes. And if you pair that with a freelancer, you can build an amazing thumbnail for hardly any work. Creators that aren't using AI are going to get left behind, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So the first thing you're gonna do is type in vidIQ Chrome extension in your search bar. Go ahead and download this extension. I already have it, so I'm not gonna show that step. Then you're gonna go on to YouTube and search up your niche. For this example, I'm gonna use how to make money and just browse through and look for thumbnails that catch your attention. I'm gonna go with Mark right here. Go ahead and pause that. This is where vidIQ is really useful. On the right-hand side, you're gonna see all these things here that you normally wouldn't if you have a normal YouTube account. Once you've downloaded the vidIQ extension, the free version even, you're gonna have all this information here. You're gonna wanna select views, and then you're gonna hover down to this section right here. This section is all the thumbnails that they'll use. In Mark's case, he only has one. Go ahead and click that, and vidIQ allows you to download the thumbnail straight to your computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, wait for it to download, and here's where it starts to get crazy because I can't believe the next step is even legal. Head over to claude.ai. I've already made an account, but if you haven't, just go ahead and make one. Now go ahead and type this exact prompt. I'll also leave it in my description so you guys can just copy and paste it. You prompted Claude, that's all you need to do. Then go ahead and upload that thumbnail that you got earlier. So I'm just gonna drag it in, send it, and let Claude do all the work for you. So once it's created the prompt, it'll show right here, and just go ahead and copy it. And I know image generators aren't new, but the free ones still blow my mind. And that's what we're gonna use today. So go ahead and head over to AIEase.ai. Again, links will be down below. Hover over AI tools, AI image generator, generate it for free, paste your prompt in, and select 16:9. Hit generate. So it came out with 2. Let's select the one that has the text correct. That's pretty good.
Nice.
But there's still an issue. The face is off. But here's how we're gonna fix that. You're gonna go ahead and pull up the original thumbnail and just screenshot his face. I'm gonna go ahead and save it to desktop. Then you're gonna go over to AI face swap, which is also free. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and scroll down, then upload your thumbnail. Then you're gonna upload the screenshot of the face. That's it, let it work.
A few moments later.
All right, it's done. Check it out, that's pretty good. I mean, for a free product, obviously you can use your own face too if you wanted to, but you can see how easy this is. Now you're gonna go over and head to fiverr.com, make an account, and now you're gonna look for a professional thumbnail designer. Type in YouTube thumbnail, and you're just gonna scroll down and look for someone that has a good style. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna find someone that's pretty good for just $5. Look at this guy, 4.9 reviews with 1K reviews for $5. That's pretty good. You can start here. What you're gonna do, you're gonna send them your draft, the one you created with the AI. You can even send them some selfies with their iPhone and customize it exactly how you want it. They're professionals, they do this full time. They're gonna make it beautiful. And trust me, the results are gonna blow you away compared to doing it yourself. Even though it's optional, I highly recommend it. And there's a ton of these guys. So you can just find someone that you're gonna work well with. And they're cheap, man, $5. Remember, there will be links to all the free tools that I use today down in the description. There are paid versions that may be a little bit better, but honestly, I don't think you need it. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is creating titles with the help of AI, and it might not be as simple as you think. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link to that video right here.